And on these Rainbird DVF valves, you've got the solenoid here on top. And if you can find one with the handle, the solenoid that has the handle, I like having the handle. It helps you turn the solenoid better. It shows you right there, this way for on, that way for off. And really, if you're gonna manually open up this valve, you would just give it a quarter turn, about like that. Turn the solenoid, and the wires here is what you tie into your wire path. And then you just close the solenoid back. You don't have to crank down on it. But a lot of times what we're seeing, this is just a handle that comes off. And so you don't see them with these handles as much anymore. And a lot of times if I'm putting 3 valves in a valve box, I'll get one with a handle, and then I'll just put the ones without the handle next to it, because you can take this handle off and use it on your other valves. But if you've got a solenoid go bad on a Rainbird DVF valve, you can unscrew this solenoid. You always want to turn your water off first. Unscrew the solenoid, it just threads right in. I like these valves because the threads are real thick, and I usually don't have to worry about cross threading when I'm installing a solenoid on a Rainbird DVF valve. But you would end up buying just the solenoid, and then you can thread it right into the valve that's there in the ground. A lot of times if I've got a problem with a valve, what I'll do is I'll buy a whole new valve and then put a new solenoid, new top, and then the new diaphragm to rebuild that valve. And it could go on the old base that's in there in the ground, but I'll just buy the whole valve and replace everything on top, and that way most of this valve is new if I'm rebuilding it.